Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem of Steam achievement icons not showing in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you have to do is open Windows PowerShell, and then you have to type this command net user new user 123/add. New user means your username, so just add your username. After that click on enter, type this command and then hit enter. After that close this and press shift and keep holding on to that, and then right click on Steam. After doing so, here you'll find run as different user, just click on this, and then you have to type your username and password, just click on this, and after that make sure you log into your account again. After that check if your problem solves. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.